No, he hit it. It just decided it didn't want to stay there.
That fire was hot.
Look at there, he's wasting a lot of that apple.
I am. But this sure is easy. Woo! We're even going to measure the sugar this time, maybe.
You keep going, you're gonna have to take your shoes off just to count how many apples you scored.
What do we have out here? Got to do something about that someday. Call it a 5-gallon bucket, maybe. Okay, this is the sweet apple.
Is your hand getting sticky yet?
Yes, my right hand is very sticky.
Still UV hitting it. They're probably still black. Yep.
Okay.
I had to turn the heater down when I went in there a while ago. It was getting awfully warm in there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Y'all will be fighting to see who gets the floor.
Not me. I like it warm. I'll take the top.
Okay.
I'll take the floor. I burn up on the top bunk.
Yeah. I'm the one that has problems staying warm enough. Yet I'm the guy that likes to go winter camping.
I can understand that.
This is the first time this year I've worn this coat. It's always been too warm so far.
Yeah.
It's just right for it now.
Still one of those oatmeals or?
This is Tractor Supply,
Yeah.
whatever brand it is.
Kind of
Your
like
apple
the
pie
baby
pan.
wipe industry,
Picked
you
this
know.
up at a
One company makes
antique
80%
store
of the
down in
butt wipes.
San Antonio, Texas a couple weeks ago. Recipe right here. Let's see what I've forgotten.
You open it from here it does.
I may have put some extra stuff in it. I think we're good. It does call for butter.
Butter.
It calls for butter. And I cheated. I didn't make the pie crust this time either.
Why should you when you can buy it in a roll?
I know this is Marie Callender's. Well, I think I can outdo Marie? No way.
Marie's a good old gal. I wouldn't knock her.
Are you filming yet?
I'm filming, you betcha.
Okay.
Got something profound to say, Jim?
Yeah, I was going to say, did you hear about the proctologist was working on a patient? He says, nurse, bring me a light. So she come running in with a flashlight. And he says, no, I want to.
That was warm.
It's warm. Didn't take you long to look at it,
It
did
did
it?
not take long for me to think about that whatsoever.
He likes to stick his nose out, but the rest of him stay warm. You want the shovel?
Okay. We'll preheat this a little bit. I'll go ahead and get the pie.
Hey, you want this shovel?
You gonna preheat
No,
it?
I'll use my hand.
You need some on top, don't you?
Yeah, I got the pie in first.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you got to put it in there to cook it.
You betcha. Thanks, sir.
Didn't burn.
Okay.
What, you gonna put the lid on it or what?
We're going to use solar energy, just cook it from the sun. Man,
It's about to be nighttime.
Little late for
would
that.
you look at that? Woo! What are you going to do with that shovel?
I'm gonna shovel you some coals to put on top.
That's what these gloves are for.
Oh, well, never mind. You burn those gloves,
Okay, I'll use this one.
you dummy.
Woo! That fire is warm.
Yeah.
I'm going to start out at about 400. Now, according to the recipe in the bottom of the pie pan, after 10 minutes, we're going to drop this to 350.
Nanometers, amps, volts, or degrees C.
Oh, degrees Fahrenheit, degrees F.
as the experts discuss the exact temperature
Exact
of 400 degrees Fahrenheit that is carefully obtained by the correct number of charcoal briquettes on top and bottom.
That looks right, because that's all we've got. Let's see, I always do it this way. 100, 200, 300, 400. Yep, we're right on 400. It doesn't look like enough, does it?
Does to me.
Okay.
It's aluminum top.
Aluminum. Not aluminum.
Aluminium.
There is no I in the word aluminum.
Of course, I don't really need charcoal because, as you can see, Jim's building me a fire. Yeah, keep pouring the wood on there, Jim.
It's about to go out.
It's going out. Oh, brother. Global warming. Number one cause, Jim's fires. Only like 6 or 7 states tax it. Let's take a gander at this. It's been on for a good half hour, hasn't it? Oh, look at that! It's done in my books. Yeah, that looks good. It's pineapple upside down cake. Yummy. I think that'll do. That evening we headed down to the potluck at the compound, and let me tell you, we didn't have any leftovers.